Hi, I'm John Riven Anino, and I am an SEO specialist with 10 years of experience in optimizing websites to rank higher on search engines and drive organic traffic. My expertise lies in both off-page and on-page SEO, ensuring that websites not only attract visitors but also convert them into loyal customers. My expertise includes keyword research, content optimization, and technical SEO improvements such as optimizing H1, H2, and H3 tags. Also enhancing page speed and setting up Google Analytics and Search Console for better tracking. I also specialize in local SEO strategies, helping business dominate their local markets. I am also skilled in website audits, competitor analysis, and implementing SEO best practices to ensure long-term success. Whether you need an SEO strategy from scratch or improvements to your existing one, I am committed to delivering results that matter. If you're also looking for an SEO expert who can help you climb the search engine rankings and drive meaningful traffic to your website, let's connect. I'd love to collaborate and bring your digital presence to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to working with you soon. Thank you.